Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to be showing you how to make Nachos in our Ninja Foodi Flip Toaster. So you ready? Let's get into this. For our ingredients, we have our tortilla chips, some sharp cheddar cheese, refried beans, some black olives, a little bit of salsa, and some jalapenos. Don't worry if you don't have a Ninja Foodi Flip Toaster. You can still do this recipe just fine with the broiler in your regular oven. Or you can even do it with your toaster oven or microwave if you have to. If you want some more info about this recipe, all of the ingredients and measurements are down in the description of the video, along with the calorie count, the fat, the protein, and the carbs. So the first thing you're going to want to do is line your flip toaster bake tray with a little bit of aluminum foil and spray that with just a little bit of non-stick spray. Then you're going to want to add one layer of nachos here, just a thin layer. The key to decent nachos is that you need the cheese to get in between all the chips. So if you're doing this in multiple layers, it's going to come out much, much better. You have your first layer, then you're going to throw in a little bit of cheese. And then I would add your refried beans on top of this layer. By the way, if this is your first time here and you want to learn some cool new recipes, get some great cooking tips and tricks and all sorts of other kitchen related things, then start now by subscribing to the channel and clicking the notification bell so you never miss a thing. Next, add your second layer of nachos on top here. Just enough to cover up those beans. And I would go ahead and squish those down just a little bit to kind of help spread those out a little bit. Don't be shy with that. Next, we're going to add more cheese, second layer. Then just a tiny bit more nachos on top here, not a whole lot. Be sure not to let anything spill over the edge too much because that's going to end up inside your toaster. Okay, then a little bit more cheese on top. And as far as the jalapenos, the salsa, and the olives go, we're going to put those on top at the very end. So in this case, we're ready to go into the flip toaster. So we'll go ahead and put our toaster in the oven mode. Turn this on, lock back the handle, and go ahead and slide in our nachos. Make sure this is set to bake. Change your temperature down to about 350, and then go ahead and start it up. I'm going to set this timer to 5 minutes, but you're going to want to keep an eye on this and make sure you're not overcooking it. And then when it gets the way you want it, you go ahead and pull it out. Keep in mind this is a very small oven. It's going to do this very quick, so don't walk away and forget about it.
3:28 a.m.
Okay, we'll go ahead and check on this. And that looks pretty fantastic. So all we gotta do is plate this and finish it up. Okay. So we want to go ahead and carefully remove this from our baking tray. And if you had your non-stick spray on this, it should be pretty easy to get this onto our plate. Let's go ahead and slide our plate in. See if we can get this out of here without too much trouble. All right, now all we gotta do is sort of reshape this, add a little salsa. Maybe a little bit more bean on top here. Our jalapenos. Our olives. Now let's put a little tiny bit more salsa on the top here. Just like that. If you'd like to learn a little bit more about us, you can check out a couple more videos, or you can check us out online at joesphenomenal.com. As you can see, those nachos came out pretty awesome. The only thing I would be concerned about if you're using the flip toaster to make these is not to make your nacho pile too high, because if you do that, you might get some cheese stuck into the grills on top, and we don't want to do that either. Also, if you want some more information about the Ninja Foodi Flip Toaster, I do have an affiliate link down in the description of the video as well. I thank you so much for taking a little bit of time out of your busy day to watch this video. It really means a lot to me, and I can't wait to see you back again here really soon. So until that time, I'm Joe, and I hope you have a phenomenal day. Take it easy.